Hello semua, welcome back to my channel. So this was a week full of life with a lot going on. So it started on the road to Lisbon. I had to renew my password and the embassy is there. So I packed my day with purpose. On the transport, I kept it simple. I made a black bean burger for lunch and a carrot for snack. It was easy, nutritious and ready to go. Since I was in Lisbon, I took the chance to swing by our Nestlé office. For the one who doesn't know, I'm working there. And first I stopped by the company shop. It's always fun to browse all the products that we have. And later that evening, I had dinner with colleagues. We went for ramen. It was warm, comforting, and the perfect way to end the day before heading back home. Few days later, it was family time. My brother and his fiancée came to visit. And for their first night, I prepared homemade pizzas because honestly, there's nothing like sharing a slice around the table. Just slicing the topping, layering everything with care. It might just be dinner to some, but for me, this is my love language, act of service. So cooking, preparing, thinking of every detail, it's how I show I'm happy you are here. So I took my time to set the table, nothing fancy, but with intention. I think it's what imports most, right? Because sharing food is about so much more than eating. It's about connection, a table full of people you love, the laughter, the passing of plates, the second servings. And at night, it was just that. Simple, joy, fresh pizza, and people that matter.
Uau! Vai me habituar aí, depois vou querer mais.
And after dinner, we went out for churros, crispy, sweet, and the perfect little indulgence. The next morning kicked off early, 6 a.m. CrossFit, because no matter how full life gets, movement grounds me. The breakfast was really quick. We grabbed something sweet and easy, then we hit the road almost to Spain for a canyoning adventure. It was a gift that my siblings gave me for my 30s, and we took the advantage that my brother was coming to do it all together. It was 3 hours in wild nature, waterfalls, climbs, jumps. It was incredible. So much adrenaline and so much laughter. On the way back, we made a quick stop at a natural thermal spring, but the water was way too hot to enjoy, so we just went back
C'est
home.
chaud? C'est chaud chaud?
We had a really late lunch, and then we went back home and we rested a bit before heading to Bom Jesus do Monte, one of Braga's gems. This place will always be special because it was where my husband proposed to me. It's a mix of peace, architecture, and history. It was just a pause in our busy day to just take it all in.
Attends.
Sometimes the most memorable moments are the ones where you slow down. For dinner, my husband took over his signature salmon pasta. It's always a crowd pleaser. The next morning, same rhythm, 6 a.m. workout. Then I made a big breakfast for everyone, pancakes loaded with a lot of toppings. I set the table with everything we had, some fruits, jam, nut butter, seeds, a little feast to start the day. There's something special about those slow breakfasts with loved ones. Everyone's still a bit sleepy, coffee brewing, chatting over second and third pancakes. We sat together, no rush, just quality time. And honestly, that's the kind of luxury I value most.
Du matcha. C'est du thé japonais.
Then we set off to Guimarães, the birthplace of Portugal. We visited the castle and then we came for our surprise activity. None of us had ever tried it before, and it was so much fun. It was set on the ground, a big digital floor that lights up randomly. The goal? Jump only on the green lights as they appear without touching any of the red ones. It might sound simple, but trust me, once the game speeds up, it's pure chaos, in the best way of course. We all got competitive, sweating, laughing, trying to coordinate our jumps. It's part memory, part reflex, part pure fun. First time for all of us, and honestly, it brought out our inner kids again. And after that, we cooled down with a walk through the historic center and grabbed ice cream before heading back.
C'est bon, Tim.
That night, I put together a fajitas buffet, colorful, tasty, and perfect for sharing. I prepped all the fillings like sautés, veggies, seasoned black beans, fresh toppings, and laid everything out buffet style so everyone could build their own. And yeah, there's something really satisfying about assembling your plate exactly how you liked it. I feel mine, fold it carefully, and that first bite, everything just worked.
Ça vous aime pas? Non.
Our last morning together started slower. We finished the leftover pancakes and added some cereal, keeping it cozy. The weather wasn't great, so we stayed in and played board games, just enjoying the little moments. For lunch, we went to my in-laws and had bacalhau, of course, a true Portuguese send-off. And just like that, it was already time to say goodbye to my brother and his fiancée. And that's what this week reminded me of. Life moves quickly, but if you stay present, even the busiest days can feel beautiful. It's not about doing everything, it's about doing what matters with the people who matter most. Thanks for being here, and until next time!